tell me, Richard, some of the products which you're, some of your popular products which you're finding for your clients at the moment, and what are people interested in, what are the trends in your industry?
Sure. The biggest trend at the moment, especially with the new tax regime coming about, people are looking for greater cash flow. So HMOs, house and multiple application, multi-lets, they're very, very popular at the moment. Obviously, the standard buy-to-lets are, but it's HMOs are the most popular trend at the moment.
Richard, can you tell me a little bit about specialised products? Perhaps if you're looking at doing commercial mortgages, or do you need a special type of mortgage if you want to buy an HMO property on finance? Can you explain a little bit of how that works?
Sure, Amy. Typically, most historically investors have gone for commercial mortgages for HMOs. The drawback there is that the rates are higher. There are now a few lenders in the marketplace that will do buy-to-let HMO mortgages, and the rates are lower on that one. So it's something that you need to talk to a knowledgeable broker about to tell you the pros and cons with each different aspect, and then make a decision based on that.
Absolutely. And I would guess, with there being so many products in the marketplace, it's crucial to use a broker such as yourself, rather than sitting on Google and trying to find the right product. I mean, it must be a minefield.
Sure. Everybody, when they phone me up, says, what's the cheapest deal in the marketplace? There isn't an answer to that, because it depends on the term of the deal. A 2-year deal, if they Google it, will be cheaper than, say, a 5-year deal, but a 5-year deal might be more appropriate in the longer term, especially when you're coming to remortgage, all the costs involved. So it's not just a case of looking at the headline rate, it's the bigger picture. Most investors do it for the long term, and there's a rule at the moment. I would suggest that probably 90% of my inquiries are coming in with 5-year fixed rate deals.
Okay, that's interesting. So can you tell us, Richard, a little bit more about commercial mortgages? I know we've touched on this already with HMOs, but I know this is becoming a much more popular trend at the moment, so perhaps you could tell us a little bit more.
Yeah, commercial mortgages are, generally speaking, the high street sort of banks, etc. They will value a property based more on the rental income, what we call multiples, as opposed to what we call a bricks and mortar situation. So you can actually get higher valuations based on commercial lending. But as I said, the drawback is that the rates can be higher. At the moment, typically around about 5.5% to 6.5%. But the advantage for investors is the few lenders that we go to will do it on interest only rather than repayment, which makes the payments that much even higher. Most investors are after cash flow, so the interest only is the solution for them.
Okay, brilliant.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like this content and you'd like to join our free online property training course, we've got a link for it on this page. And in there we cover a range of different property strategies to help you get started, either building a long-term property portfolio or creating a cash flowing property business. We also look at ways to increase your return on investment with any of the properties you're maybe considering. And we also have a couple of cheat sheets and downloadable documents in there as well. Simply click on the link to join the free training course today.